Hi everybody, it's Don Cameron here from Quick Launch. I'm going to show you how to use HDMI Share to prompt users to plug in their laptop to display on the screen. First thing we have to do is we have to create a picture or an image that tells users to plug in the HDMI cable into their laptop. So I just did that in Microsoft Paint. I just did a black background with a phrase up top to plug in the HDMI cable and cute little icons to show the cable on the laptop. Great. The next thing you'll need to do to set this up is you'll need to plug in your USB capture device. In this case, I'm using a Magewell capture device and I have that plugged in with an USB 3.0 cable. If you're using a MIMO, you'll also need to plug in some kind of an HDMI source just for the setup process. Okay, let's head over to settings and set this up. First of all, go to HDMI Share General and make sure Use HDMI Share is turned on. Next, go to the Screens page and enable the screen that you're using. Here I've enabled screen 3, and a couple of tips here. Make sure Allow Close is turned off. Otherwise, the screen that we want to display all the time, the user might be able to turn it off, and we don't want that. Set the default visibility to always show, and then load the image up. So here's the image that I created in the previous step, and there's a little thumbnail copy of it. Then go over to HDMI Share Devices and find your capture card and enable it. Make sure the default screen is set to the same screen that you did in the previous step. And finally, set the default visibility to show device when plugged in. That's it. That's all you need to do. Let's give it a shot. Click on Save. And we go back to Quick Launch. And what's going to happen here is HDMI Share is going to turn on and it's going to display our message. Perfect. Now all we need to do is plug in a laptop and it should display. And here we go. There's my laptop. Perfect. And when I unplug my laptop, it'll go back to the image that prompts the user to plug in their cable. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye now.